Hey, Spencer, Mr. Rooter here. We got another call. Got a sewer stoppage. We had a tech out there over the weekend on Saturday night. Today's Monday. They backed up again the very next day, so we got a tech on site. Just got it cleared again under warranty. No extra charge for coming out. He's got the camera in the line. He's gonna see if we can figure out why it backed up so badly and so quickly. All right, we're here on site. Let's see what's going on. Hey, what's up, Bill?
All right, how's it going? Yeah, we just got the camera stuck down the line. Camera down here and found it's definitely broken or disconnected here, and we got to jump in there and grab a location, figure out exactly where this spot is.
Oh yeah, what's going on here?
Looks like that's the band seal for one of the couplings that holds together the fittings here, and somehow it's just come loose, and somehow that piping has collapsed in there.
Looks like we're looking outside the pipe. Is that completely disconnected?
Possibly.
All right, so what do we do next?
Got to go inside and grab a location.
All right, let's do it. What you got, Billy?
Alrighty, so we got the camera in the line here, coming up to a broken area in this pipe here. Something's misaligned, not connected properly down in the line. So we stuck the camera down, and now we're finding our locations right here at our main stack, tying in for our back bathroom here, kind of exactly where we thought this was.
Is that underground or is it going to be exposed?
That's going to be exposed. We are going to have to remove the plywood subfloor here to get access into that drain line. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
That'll do it.
Oh, look at that. Okay, we can fix that. All right, we've got that coupling removed. You can see how big of a gap there is right there. And that's why it's separated. So it's either a poor installation from the initial installation. This house is about 20 years old. And then finally it just couldn't take it anymore and it gave up, or some ground could have shifted. But either way, we're gonna cut that pipe down, put a longer piece of pipe in there to be able to fill that gap and put a few extra couplings in here. We'll use heavy duty couplings, which are slightly larger than the ones we just took out for a better job, and we should be good to go.
Alright, we just got our section of old pipe cut out, prepared it for our new section of ABS. Alright, we've got our new section of ABS ready to be put in. Let's go ahead and throw her in. There's our new connections. A nice new section of ABS pipe in there. Alrighty, we showed the repair to our client, verified everything was not leaking, and sealed back up our area.